Hello and welcome to this lovely property. Call or text us right now at 532-205-6760 for more info. Contemporary single-story home in Alta Sierra near the golf course and clubhouse. Large, almost half-acre parcel with views and a nice fenced garden area with fruit trees. High-speed internet available. New interior paint throughout, new carpet throughout, and new vinyl in kitchen and laundry room, and new stainless dishwasher and stove. This house is turnkey ready for you. Master suite has views and walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms are good sized, with one having a Murphy bed installed so it can double as an office if needed. Private back deck overlooks backyard and pasture area where deer take their morning stroll to the natural spring at bottom of property. Large 2-car garage and a parking area in the front. Very convenient location. Central heat and air with wood-burning stove in living room. Piped city water. Septic system inspected and passed. Welcome to Alta Sierra, where the living is easy and the good times roll.